Wonder. Wonder introduces revolutionary fixture architecture, a double concentric optical system, a radically new technology that achieves an unprecedented result. The brightest and the purest, most uniform wall wash ever seen. In traditional wash lights, when the beam is widened to illuminate a larger area, a darker spot is visible in the center. The revolutionary optics of the Wonder, however, projects two concentric beams with independently controllable luminosity, aperture and colors. It is therefore possible to balance the brightness of the entire beam with that of its center. The result is unprecedented, wonderfully diffused luminosity, or a perfectly adjustable hotspot. Its double long excursion zoom, with a range from 3.5 to 52 degrees, is one of the features that makes Wonder a one-of-a-kind fixture. Wonder's brightness is currently unrivaled. It beats all competitors and is comparable to 1200 watt discharge lamps. However, Wonder is not just the perfect wall wash fixture. You can express yourself and impress your audience with Wonder. Wonder's LED board consists of two concentric zones, a central one and an external double ring, both with independent zoom, color control, strobe and dimming. The two external rings are divided into three distinct sections, with individual control of their main features, such as luminosity, color mixing, and strobe. This revolutionary format makes endless combinations possible. Wonder can also create amazing effects in the air, guaranteed to astonish any audience. Wonder means unbeatable brightness, the smoothest, most uniform wall washes, and a source of unlimited creativity for any lighting designer.